Hello everyone and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today I've got a special treat for you. We're whipping up a homemade version of the legendary A.1 sauce. We're unlocking the secrets to that savory, tangy goodness that has graced our steaks and burgers for years. In fact, A.1 sauce has been around since 1862. First concocted by a chef to King George IV, who, as legend has it, proclaimed it A1. This versatile sauce can be used in a variety of dishes to add flavor and tang. So grab your apron and let's get started on this new adventure. In a medium saucepan, we're going to have half a cup of water, half a cup of balsamic vinegar, quarter cup of ketchup, quarter cup of Worcestershire sauce, have a quarter cup of Dijon mustard, some golden raisins, half a teaspoon of celery seed, and just a pinch of cayenne pepper, some salt, some ground black pepper, and now we're going to stir it all together. I have 2 cloves of garlic that have been smashed, 1/8 of a large yellow onion cut into chunks. Now we're going to stir it together one more time. 1 small navel orange or half of a large one, and we're going to cut it in half. Now squeeze the juice from the orange into the saucepan. And then we're going to add the actual juiced orange segments into the pan. We'll give it another stir. Now bring it to a boil and then lower it to a light simmer and let it cook for 5 minutes. All right, it's been simmering for 5 minutes. Now we're going to remove the orange segments and you can just discard those. Now we're just going to continue simmering and stir it every once in a while for another 10 minutes. Now that our 10 minutes is up, we're going to go ahead and strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer. Put it over a bowl so that you don't lose any of your liquid. And then we're going to use a spoon or a spatula to push all the liquid out of the chunky bits that are in the strainer. One thing you need to take note of is that the sauce tastes different when it's warm, so let it cool completely before adjusting any spices like salt or pepper. We've unlocked the secret to homemade A1 sauce that's bound to be a hit at your table. I had a great time sharing this recipe with you, and I hope you're just as excited to try it out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more delicious adventures. Your support means the world to us. Be sure to hit the bell icon to stay updated because we've got plenty more flavor-packed recipes coming your way. In fact, next week we're heading into the sweet and tangy world of Heinz 57 sauce, a sauce that has its own camp of loyal aficionados. Today's recipe for A1 is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have fun in the kitchen.